Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Today's video we are going to see how we can check our eBay sales history. Yes guys, for all the great sellers on eBay, today you can go back and see your history, check your old sales, get to see your new ones, and basically with this feature, you cannot just only take a look at them, but be step ahead and analyze them. So using this method I'm going to show you, you can simply just check it and analyze the market. I'm going to show you how you can do it. First of all, let's go to my eBay right through here. By clicking on it, you will be able to open this page, which will allow you to see your activity. Click on selling, and from here, as you can see, you can go ahead and see sold. Now, from here, from sold, you will see every single item that has been sold through your account. My account is freshly new, only for tutorials, of course, zero items sold. In your case, of course, you are looking for the history to see the item that you sold. This is where you will find them. Now, in case you had nothing in here, just check the period. This has happened to a lot of people. They might have been selling hundreds and thousands of items. Just the last 24 hours, they didn't really sell anything, and they might actually mistakenly have been using this custom period thing, which is last 24 hours, and unfortunately, they didn't require all the items. So make sure to change it to all time, just like that, or basically, yeah, you can do all time, but you can do like current month, last month. Let's do last 90 days or current year, and you will view every single item that has been sold last year. So this is how you can check it, and just by doing that, you can analyze the product that has been sold and try to sell more of them, so you can analyze it. And yeah, that was it. See you guys in the next video.